Today out in the garden. Yesterday my neighbor and I came out and we did some weeding, and I don't know if I showed you guys this or not, but I put some garlic in the ground, doing my usual thing, waiting for the weeds to come up or for my actual things that I planted in the ground to come up before I de-weed. Y'all, I waited too long, and I don't know what's actual garlic and what's actual weeds. And so, yeah, I am for sure that this is garlic because I can see and tell. This is garlic. This is garlic. And a couple of other, oh yeah, this is garlic too. I'm pretty sure this is not garlic right here. Yeah, that was a weed in it. Oh, I can see clearly now today. But yesterday I was out here and I couldn't tell what was what. So, yeah. Our peppers are now beginning to come in. Let me show you the baby ones, because we start ours from seeds. We don't start from seedlings, and I didn't start these in my greenhouse. So once the peppers get started, whew, it's hard to stop them. Plant some more green beans in here since we cleared it out. I'm trying my hand at bok choy right here in the ground. And my tomatoes are looking exceptionally well. Loving it, loving it. Bell pepper. Now, I don't know if you guys have seen my video about, look at that little bell pepper in there. Let's see if I can get you in there. See it? It's right there. Look at this. Unassuming as it can, right there. These are the sign metal post from elections. So when elections happen, me and my neighbor, we just go around the neighborhood and we pick up people's signs who don't want them anymore, and we use them to stake up the garden with, so they don't go to waste. Okra is ready to pick, and this is my main thing I came to see. I think it's almost time to pull this watermelon. And why I say that is because we're gonna wait until this tendril dries out. And when that dries out, this watermelon will be ready to pick. And as you can see, it's already yellow on the bottom side. So I really want to pick it right now. Remember that tiny one? Look, it's growing. Okay, so I'm getting ready to plant more radishes. These are the ones that I really love. And as you can see, it says you can plant these in a container. But I am going to put them down here with the other radishes that just decided to come back up. So I cleaned it out, and let's go to planting. So I'm marking the spot where I'm gonna put my seeds down. I got one coming diagonal this way, one right here, one right here, and I think I'm gonna go a little bit further over to right here. So let's plant. Okay, so now we're going to go in with our carrots. And you're wondering like why now? Because these carrots are for late summer and they'll give you a fall crop. So let's find a spot.